Hello lovers, this is Chris Reed from Kismet Potions, that's KISMETPOTIONS.com. We are here today for the recipe section of our essential oil monograph series. This one is cardamom, one of my favorite oils, and so these are for 30 mils or 1 ounce, and you can, if you want to double them, you might have to adjust it just a little bit, or even triple or quadruple, but when you sign up for my online perfumery class coming soon, we'll talk about that and how to double, triple, even quadruple recipes. So again, this can be in any kind of base: jojoba oil, heliocarrot oil, rosehip seed oil. If you just have canola oil or even olive oil in your house, you can even do it with that. That's fine too. So if you are doing something with spray, I just use distilled water, and what you do is you just shake it up. I don't put any kind of an emulsifier in that to make the essential oils break down in the water, because what it does is it clogs up the sprayer on the little spray bottle, and I've never found any kind of emulsifier that works as well as I need it to. So anyway, but that's it for the different bases that you can use. So the first oil, I'm going to start from the base note up. Cardamom, we're going to do 5 drops of that, and 9 drops of sandalwood. The next one is jasmine. We're going to do 4 drops of that. You can also substitute rose or ylang ylang. Those are all other really great floral oils that you can use. Then the next one is, you can do clementine, you can do blood orange, you can do the petit grain souffleur. Any of those would work just beautifully in this. So 9 drops of that. And then the top note of this one, blood orange or any of the citrus are the top note, and then black pepper. So about 3 drops of the black pepper, so that comes out to 30 drops. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a pleasant and prosperous day.